Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the tiles or the tiles menu on this watch. First we need to access the tiles menu. To do it, wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the home button. Then once you see the current watch face, the home screen, swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of tiles. And here we have it. And we can customize this list. To do it, press and hold on 1 to open the editing mode, and here we can do a couple of things. We can add the tile. To do it, scroll all the way to the right, tap on the add tiles, and find the tile you want to add, and tap on it to add it to the list. We can also remove the tiles, so find the tile you want to remove, and then tap on the minus button on it to remove it. And you can also change the order of the tiles, so move them around by pressing and holding on 1 and then dragging it to the place you want it to be in and releasing it like this. And once you're done editing, you can press the home button to go back to watch face and apply the changes like that. You can also customize this through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So let me bring my phone right here. Wake up the screen, unlock it, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. Now let's open the Galaxy Wearable application. In the app you should see your Galaxy Watch 6, and here you should see the tiles option. Tap on it, and now we can customize the tiles menu. We have a list of add tiles, and you can basically find the tile you want to add, tap on it to add it to the list. You can remove the tiles, of course, by tapping on the minus button on the tile, like that. And you can move the tiles around by pressing and holding on 1, dragging it to the position you want it to be in, and then releasing it, like that. And once you're done, you can tap on save to save the settings. And if you wake up the screen, go to the tiles menu, you will see that the changes applied. Okay, and that's how you customize the tiles menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.